Welcome back, Murdoch. In this week's episode, we'll be covering the Tournament of Plays, a baseball fundraiser, interview with Officer Flagg, and more. Today, March 29th, 2024. Good morning, Devils. I'm Hunter Cap.
And I'm Tanner Brimhall. And we are your news anchors for Blue Devil Weekly.
Congrats to Ruth Adams for getting accepted into Suffolk University.
Attention everyone. Tournament of Plays starts tonight. Plays start at 7 p.m. and finish around 9 p.m. Be there or be square.
Seating is first come, first serve, so get there early for the best seats.
How do you think your senior classmates are going to do this year?
I don't know. It's gonna be a rough year, but I think we might take home the victory royale.
I don't know. I think juniors are definitely going to take it this year. Let's go over that riddle of the week, though. It is, turn me on my side and I'm everything. Cut me in half and I'm nothing. What am I?
Stay till the end to see the answer.
Recently, we were able to get an interview with Officer Flagg. Let's toss it down to Colin for that.
Officer Flagg, what does ALICE stand for?
ALICE stands for Alert, Lockdown, Inform, Counter, and Evacuate. It's a practice that you would use if you were trying to survive an active shooter situation.
During our training, what were you looking for?
What I was looking for was active participation between the staff and students in engaging in the scenarios that you were given. You're given 3 scenarios to discuss in different areas of the building of what you would do if you were to encounter an active violence situation. I thought it was important for the staff and students to engage in meaningful conversations, as if this were to happen here, you would be working together as a team for your own survival.
What are things students and staff can do to prevent violent incidents?
Staff and students can take active participation by paying attention to their building and their surroundings. If there's propped doors, you see a stranger in the building, report it right away. Other ways you can is pay attention to your friends and peers, and if they seem to be struggling or a sudden behavior change, report that. If you see anything on social media that's concerning, any talk of violence in schools, please report it. It's also important to remember that if you see something on a weekend or overnight that schools are closed, you can reach out to the police department 24 hours a day so we can get ahead of it and notify school in a timely manner. So yes, you can absolutely have an impact on preventing school violence. And I just want to thank you all, Murdoch, for doing an awesome job walking through the buildings. Myself and the administrators noted in the classrooms that you were having open and honest dialogue with your teachers and really talking about a difficult subject. So we're all very proud of you.
Thank you, Officer Flagg. Back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Ava. A reminder that the library invites you to play Reading Bingo. It's simple. Stop by the library, pick up a card, and read books. All completed cards are winners. Stop by the library and talk to Mr. Klein if you are interested. The contest ends June 7th.
Hey, fellow students. Term 3 ends very, very soon. In fact, it ends next week, so make sure you're getting caught up.
Attention, senior classmates. Local scholarship packets were handed out last week in English class. Please see Mrs. Weinhold if you need one. They must be returned by Friday, April 5th at 2:30 p.m. Now let's throw it over to Colin for question of the week.
Who am I here with today?
Corey,
Corey, what is your favorite pizza topping?
barbecue chicken,
Favorite pizza topping?
pepperoni.
What is your favorite pizza topping?
Cheese.
What is your favorite pizza topping?
Pepperoni.
What is your favorite pizza topping?
Cheese. Who are we here with today?
Anthony,
And what's your favorite pizza topping?
meat lovers.
Favorite pizza topping?
Cheese.
What is your favorite pizza topping?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
Favorite pizza topping?
Chicken, because you can put it on barbecue chicken and chicken bacon ranch.
Favorite pizza topping?
Bacon.
Oh, I was gonna say pepperoni, but bacon might have to take the cake there. Bacon. Bacon.
Favorite pizza topping?
Meatball and pepperoni. You.
Favorite pizza topping?
Anchovies.
Favorite pizza topping?
Probably barbecue sauce.
Favorite pizza topping?
Cheese.
Favorite pizza topping?
Pepperoni.
Favorite pizza topping. Favorite pizza topping. Buffalo chicken.
Favorite pizza topping?
Barbecue chicken.
Favorite pizza topping?
Barbecue chicken.
Back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Colin. You're just so inspirational. The baseball team is doing a fundraiser. They are selling pretzels and Belgian waffles. If you would like to contribute, please find a player or coach and ask them. Or you can scan this QR code to buy or donate.
Attention all students. Last chance for those calendar sales. Remember to ask your teachers, parents, grandparents, shoot, might as well ask your dog. A $5 donation gives you 30 chances to win. Just one more week to sell.
I don't think dogs can read. Attention seniors, the yearbook staff is in need of photos to include in this year's yearbooks. Everything from student events, class trips, to photos from your early years as a student. Email them to Ms. Beacott ASAP.
Now, let's turn the time over to our weatherman, Alex LeBlanc, for the upcoming weather.
Thanks, guys. Welcome back, Murdoch. I'm your weatherman, Alex LeBlanc, and let's get right back into your regular schedule forecast. For today, there might be a chance of snow, but apart from that, it'll be mostly cloudy throughout the day, with temps being around 46 during the day and dropping in the high 30s during the night. For tomorrow, it'll be sunny, with temps being 48 during the day and dropping in the high 20s during the night. For Sunday, it'll be once again sunny, with temps being around the high 40s during the day and dropping in the high 20s during the night. For the beginning of next week, there might be a chance of rain throughout the days. But if it's not raining, it'll be cloudy for both Monday and Tuesday. Temps to be in the high 40s during the day and dropping in the low 30s during the night. That is all. Back to you guys in the studio.
Thanks, King Alex. That will be all for this week's episode. Oh wait, but we still have to go over the riddle. Tanner, have at it.
Thanks, Hunter. The riddle was, turn me on my side and I'm everything. Cut me in half and I'm nothing. What am I? The number 8.
I wonder if anyone figured it out. If you want to see more of us, make sure to stay updated by following us on Facebook, the Gram, and of course, TikTok at MurdochHS.
Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we post. Have a great weekend, Murdoch.